First of all, there's an excellent article about the fact that English has become pretty much the lingua franca. And for good or bad, with its difficulty in spelling, etc., that probably by the end of the century, English will be so ubiquitous that probably only maybe 800 other languages will even exist. And the reason that it's so important to keep Yiddish is because Yiddish has terminology that other languages don't have. For example, we know that they say that the Eskimos have several different words for snow, etc. But when we talk about family relationships, for example, we have a word called machuten. We have a word called macheteneste. We have a word called machetona. That's an individual word. It's not father-in-law or schwieger or schwer. Okay? These words, because Jews are so family-oriented, and other groups are too, that we have words that do not exist in other languages as individual words. We have to put them together. So that plus the rich culture that we have to try to translate some of the things that Shalom Aleichem wrote is almost impossible, because the tone that's used, the intonation that's used. When you say the word Mentsh, people say Mentsh. Mentsh is a person. Well, what kind of a person is a Mentsh? Not just an ordinary person. He's a good person. That's a Mentsh, see? Or kvetch. There are many words like that. And so for that, plus the myriad of lullabies and songs, wohin soll ich gehen? Where shall I go? The depth of that, you try to say those in English, it's not the same. That's why.